Did state lawyers hide evidence and lie to a federal judge? Those are shocking claims made in a new federal court filing.
The case involves the death of a mentally ill inmate. New at 6, investigative reporter Ben Hall says a former state employee has come forward with new information.
Well, Vicki, a judge ordered a new trial in the death of Jason Toll earlier this year. But now this sworn statement points to a state cover-up. The court filing claims attorneys for the state engaged in willful fraud by hiding key evidence in a wrongful death lawsuit.
And it's beyond shocking. It is absolutely disturbing. This is the type of stuff you see in movies.
Attorneys David Weissman and Jeff Roberts now have a sworn statement from a former corrections officer they say proves an attorney in the state AG's office lied to the court.
It saddens me to have to file a pleading like this, making these allegations, because I hate to think that members of my profession do things like this.
The 46-page sworn statement is from William Amonette. The former corrections officer took this video of inmate Jason Toll being forcibly removed from his cell at River Bend in 2010.
We're not moving. Are you good, Rick?
But that cell extraction went wrong.
Mr. Toll?
And Toll later died in an unlit prison yard. A medical examiner said Toll was suffocated and called it a homicide.
You know, I have to say at this point, I admire his courage in coming forward with this information.
At issue is this resignation letter that Amonette wrote months after Toll died, criticizing the state investigation into Toll's death and claiming the state falsified training records. But the state never turned that letter over to attorneys for Toll's mother. A jury ruled officers did nothing wrong, but they never saw the letter.
The Attorney General's office intentionally buried a vital piece of evidence on this case.
In arguing against a new trial, lead attorney for the AG's office, Arthur Crownover, swore to the court last year that he did not recall the resignation letter, and the AG's office claimed it had not seen the letter. But Amonette's sworn statement claims Crownover was well aware of the letter. Amonette says he had two specific conversations about the letter with Crownover, who said the letter caused him a lot of concern. Amonette said the fact he said he never read the letter, that's not true. I mean, I don't know how else to put it. It's just untruthful.
What you're telling me is winning at all costs is more important than justice.
Amonette also says a state official threatened him after Toll died and said if he didn't shut up, he would be left out in the cold, which he took to mean if he didn't keep quiet about his concerns about the Toll case, the state would not represent him and he would have to pay for his own attorney.
Mr. Amonette was strong-armed into following a position that he didn't believe in and in his heart knew was wrong.
The AG's office said they will respond to all of this in court. William Amonette had no comment beyond what was in the filing. Certainly, Vicki, there's a lot more to come.
For sure. Thanks, Ben. Rory?